English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 conversion of times number 6. Number 6, write the century of the following years. Century, then we know that and 100 years equal to 1 century. Then 108 will be second century, plus 100 first century, and 108 equal to going to second century. Then 1015 will be 11th century. 1000 till 11 till 1000 equal to 10th, and 1050 equal to 15 equal to 11th century. 2001 equal to 21st century. Okay, 2000 till 2000 equal to 20th century, and 2001 equal to going to 21st century. Thank you.